Hi, this is Kapil, and today I'm going to bake a very beautiful cake. Beautiful because it has this lovely marble effect. You must have guessed the recipe name by now. I'm making marble cake today. It is so buttery, delicious, and has both vanilla and chocolate favorite flavors of the cake. So let's start making it. So here in the bowl I'll add cocoa powder and boiling hot water. Just mix it well. So now, just keep this aside and let's move on to the cake batter. So in a bowl, I'm going to add butter. Into the butter goes castor sugar. So now comes the major part of this cake. You have to beat butter and sugar really well for at least 10 minutes. This will decide whether your cake will turn out to be absolutely perfect or not. So the mixture has turned pale in color, nice, creamy and fluffy. Next goes in the eggs, but one at a time. And after adding egg, I'll add vanilla essence. So now I have to mix it. But right now when I'm adding eggs one at a time, you don't have to overbeat it, you don't have to overmix it. Time to add second egg. So now all the eggs are nicely mixed in. So next goes the dry ingredients. So here I have maida, which is all-purpose flour, but I'm going to sift it. And in goes the rising agent baking powder. Just sift both these ingredients together into the bowl. Now you have to mix dry into wet ingredients very nicely, carefully with light hands and using cut and fold method. And in between, keep adding room temperature milk, little by little. And now the cake batter is ready. So next I'm going to divide the batter into two because it is a marble cake. You want to include the chocolate color as well. So here I have this cocoa powder paste which I prepared earlier. So now I'm going to mix half the batter into the cocoa paste and then mix it, and then I'll end up with two batters. And next, I'll take 1 spoonful of the batter and mix it into this cocoa paste. And then mix this entire lovely chocolatey paste into the vanilla flavor batter. And now mix with gentle hands. I have this lovely, gorgeous looking chocolate batter ready. So next, I'll take the cake tin, I'll add both the batters and get a gorgeous marble effect for this cake. So here I've added all the chocolate and vanilla layers in alternate fashion. Next, just spread it. And it's already looking gorgeous, but time to make it more fancy. So take a toothpick and just make some random patterns. So now is the time to bake this beauty in the oven at 160 degrees Celsius for about 50 to 55 minutes. Marble cake is baked nicely and is completely cool. Now is the turn to demold it and serve it. Time to slice it. And cake is lovely, delicious, beautiful as I told you because of the marble effect. And this gorgeous marble cake is done. You can enjoy it at tea time, coffee time, or just as it is. So do try this delicious and very soft, gorgeous, buttery marble cake at home with both vanilla and chocolate flavors, and share your feedback with me. Till then, goodbye.